artificial intelligence is changing everything, from self-driving cars to automation and even how we invest. If you're looking for the best AI stocks to buy now, you're in the right place. Today, I'll reveal my top 3 AI stocks with massive growth potential before 2025. Let's dive in. Stay till the end because I'll also share a bonus stock that could explode in the next few years. AI stock number 1, Nvidia, NVDA. No surprise here. Nvidia is the king of AI and powers everything from data centers to gaming and autonomous vehicles. Their GPUs are the backbone of AI development, making this stock a must-have in your portfolio. Why Nvidia, market leader, dominates the AI and GPU space. Explosive growth, stock price up 200% plus in the past year. AI expansion powers ChatGPT, Tesla's AI, and cloud computing. Potential risks. High valuation, expensive compared to other tech stocks. Competition growing, AMD and Intel are catching up. AI stock number 2, Palantir Technologies, PLTR. Next up is Palantir Technologies, a company specializing in AI-powered data analytics. They work with governments, healthcare, and even finance to turn big data into actionable insights. Why Palantir? Government contracts, strong deals with the US, and global agencies. AI-powered software helps businesses and military with decision-making. Growing revenue, Q4 earnings beat estimates with double-digit growth. Potential risks. Stock volatility, price swings can be unpredictable. Dependence on government, major revenue comes from federal contracts. AI stock number 3, C3.ai, AI. C3.ai is a pure-play AI company that provides enterprise AI solutions to major industries like energy, healthcare, and cybersecurity. Why C3.ai? First mover advantage, one of the first publicly traded AI companies. Diverse AI solutions, works with energy, healthcare, and cybersecurity. Potential buyout target, could be acquired by a tech giant like Microsoft or Google. Potential risks. Not yet profitable, still operating at a loss. AI competition, competing with Google Cloud and Microsoft AI. Bonus stock, it is a bonus AI stock I'm watching closely, insert AI stock here. Bet bonus AI stock, this company is making big moves in AI, and could skyrocket in the coming years. Final thoughts and call to action. And there you have it, my top 3 AI stocks to buy before 2025. AI is transforming industries, and investing early in these companies could lead to huge gains, but AI stocks aren't the only great investments out there. If you're looking for other top stocks to buy, make sure to check out my video. Best stocks to buy now, beginner friendly, my top 3 to 2025, insert them. Or if you're interested in making passive income from stocks, I tested 6 different strategies in this video. I tried 6 passive income strategies for stocks, insert them. Which AI stock are you investing in? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an investing update.